Hello guys, now we are going to see LangChain with that documentation. How the documentation are available, how we can use the documentation for our the upcoming developing applications. We will see in this video about the documentation maintained in the LangChain. Okay. So we know that LangChain is the framework for developing applications powered by large language models. Okay, it provides a set of tools and abstractions that makes it easier to build application that can generate text, translate language, answer questions, perform other tasks using LLMs. So a model architecture makes it easier to develop powered AI powered applications. So if you use what the benefit of LangChain is, it's easy to use. So even the developer who are not familiar with the LLMs, we can use easily and flexible, can be used to build a wide range of applications. It provides a modular architect that makes it easy to plug in different LLMs. So performance, so LangChain is very efficient and easy to scaling the large applications. Community support also available. So it is built on top of the TensorFlow, which is a high performance machine learning library. Okay, so we can use machine translating service to translate from Arabic to English, and we can use custom LangChain processor to process the Arabic text directly. So like that we can use in many advanced applications. So when you see here, this is the introduction. This is the documented page about the LangChain. So main thing is modular IO interface with language model, then interface with the application specific data, then chain how to maintain the chain here. These are the modules available in the LangChain. If you see here, we can use this LangChain using AWS, Google, Microsoft, OpenAI, all the leading ones. So we can make chatbot ways using Google Documents or any documents. We can use our own enterprise search using the documents available here. Please check out these documents all. It will sure help us to develop on good applications. This is the documentation page, python.langchain.com. If we go here, we can see huge and very good documentation to use a LangChain. So this video is just only to show the documentation about the LangChain. So in upcoming videos, we try to build good applications using LangChains. You can use Google, Vertex AIs, and chat models using. We can connect with you with the Google BigQuery, Google Cloud Storage, Google Drive, Vertex AI, and we can use the Google search. We can use our create our own Google search for enterprise. So we have more options and easy to do using LangChain framework. Please check this video and check this documentation. It will help us to create a powerful applications. Thank you.